Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with that beautiful gull wing. Alright, welcome back. Nice of you to join. We've got stage 21. I don't know if I can put that in one go, but otherwise I will go downstairs to put some hot water on and heat up that tire to make it sure it fits together. But we're starting with these parts here, these two parts, and this is a steering rack. I think they're called it the steering shaft coupling, and we've got this one here, and that's an anti-sway bar. So let's get straight into this. Be careful still. Oh, that sticks out more than anything, though that's good. And we're gonna put that steering thing out. Now I need to know, yep, have a look. That needs to go to the back of the car, not to the front. And it needs to be like that. I think you saw that on the top one. So right on that, so that it moves neatly there. And we're going to put some LMs in that, I presume. And I presume right. And as you can see, it moves clearly when I move it on this side, the side that you can't see. You see me move that. Alright, then we're getting that one out. And it's going in here somewhere. Alright, you see that point there? Right there. We've got one on the other side as well. That's where we're putting it onto. And we're going in front of those blocks. Do they ask us to put a bit of glue in that? No, but we are putting H screws right there and there from underneath. Alright, so that is in as well, that sway bar. Right there. That's all for this. Then we're doing the right front wheel, but we're swapping that over for a moment because, and we can't do that just yet because I need to go down for that. And let's go straight to the next one, because that's got nothing to do with the wheel. So it's not a problem. So we're going straight to 20. I've got 22 here, because I thought I had 22, but it's this one I need. Yep, this is 22. Rear coil spring. Alright. We're putting those in 22. And let's put that to the side and see how we get those CMs together with what we have right here. What do I have here? That's the left one, so I need the other one. I think you can see this properly. Yep. So we've got it like that. We put that the right hand side of it, that spring inside, and then that little thing, but then for this side. So let's put that one on, and then put a bit of oil on the tip. This ain't easy, guys. Let's try and get it in without, it should go in properly, because it's not a problem when I do it like so. Alright, you need to make sure that that shaft that you put in is orientated properly and goes in really nicely. Then we screw that in. We do the same thing on the other side. Let's try, let's see if that moves in properly without a problem. Yeah, it does. And it's in there, a CM screw. And this is what we have, and let's see what we do after that, because I've got 21 here, but 22 I can do, and then I'll do the differential. Let's get that differential out. That's stage 23. I will put 22 in its right position, but at the moment it's awkward. Is it a GM? It's a GM. And we put that together of the differential. Then that end goes into that one, the one with the screw hole there. Then we're going to put a CM on that. That's together there with that CM screw that we just put in. These go together like so. Nope. We put those, we turn this one around. So we put that in like so with that pin on this side, on that little bracket that we have here. That one, and we're going to put a screw through that. Ouch. And then this, so we've put those there, and we're putting this one under and making sure that they all come together. All right. OMs. It's good. It's good. And another OM in the other one here. And then we're going to the other side to put some more screws in. And then we're turning it over carefully. So I think we're putting screws in there, there, and there. But let's see which ones they are. Oh, so we're staying with the OMs. Let's put an OM there first. And then we're going to those points. Right there, there. 2 more OM screws. And you don't see a wheel on this because stage 22 is not done yet and will be done. And you'll see that in a moment to go on, and I'll keep it in that order, and I'll not put the wheel on in 22 and then go to 23 as a bit mad. Let's put that to the side and get to stage 22, which I will open up. If you do that, you need to be careful that you're not cutting yourself. But we're taking those 2 ends. Well, that doesn't look too good. That's been in that package. Alright, as you see in front of me, I've got that wheel in. Is everybody rolling? Rolling, 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 rolling. Everything is rolling. And we're going to put that front right wheel in. Then we're turning it around. No, that's not hitting anything. And putting this one in. And have a look at that. There's an arrow there, there's an arrow there. So you know how to put that. Then, what are they? MMs. We are putting MMs in, MMs. So we've put that together. Then we're going to put that to the side, all of that. We're going to get the right hand side of that front wheel out. So that's the side where we have that. We're going to put this one on. And have a look at that keyhole pattern that is there and is on this side as well. So that you put that on with that thing coming out. It even says front right on it. Even better. So we're putting it on its side. We've got 2 of those rings, so I don't know if I need to put them on both sides. Fit the wheel ram into the right hand side. Place a washer over the spindle protruding rim and then fix. That is not clear, but we are putting an screw on that. There we go, that wheel is on. You cannot see that, neither cameras. I'm sorry about that. There you go. And then we push this one on. And I want it like so that the Dunlop is pointed to. And that is the wheel on. There we go. With everything neatly orientated. And with that, this pack, then these stages in this pack is done. So we've done quite a lot on this. The sway bar, the steering rack, and a whole lot of other things I can't remember. But we've got an extra ring. I'll have a quick look where that is supposed to be used, but I can't put it inside, so that's the only place to put it. That is it. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass, and join me when I do some more on this beautiful 300 SL, or any of those in the background or on the posters behind me or on the side of me. Thank you very much for this time. I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.